What drives reliability? First off is the right design. And so what I mean by that is was the equipment designed right, design quality to begin with? Something to think about there too is what was your plant designed for? And then what is it actually running at today? And so for our experience, we're pushing equipment harder and harder. We're trying to increase throughputs. And so just because we may have designed it from a quality standpoint to begin with, we might not still be in what we would consider a high-level design quality today for where we're operating. The other thing that's very important is the fabrication precision and the quality of the product you're buying. So that's why we have decided to keep our manufacturing in the United States. That's why we take that reliable quality very seriously. The installation piece of our products is very important. A lot of people take it for granted and say, yeah, it's in the crate, throw it in, we'll go. Well, if I install that mist eliminator, which was very inexpensive, improperly, I just wrecked a compressor, or I just went overhead on my beer column. There's lots of impacts that we've got to be thinking about that's not only from a design build standpoint, but also from an installation standpoint. So we are not an installer, but we work closely with all of your installers and your turnaround companies and your maintenance guys so that they properly install the products that we're building. We encourage them to come to our facility in Alvin, Texas and say, let us teach you how to do this. Let us be a part of your process of getting it installed properly so that your team is prepared. And then the next is a maintenance strategy. If we expect this to run a year, let's not be surprised at year 3 we're seeing failures. So let's have some real thought around what do we expect out of this equipment, and then let's come up with a plan with how we're going to do it. And reliability begins long before failure occurs. And that's something if you're going to take one thing away, that's what we're chasing, is that consistent reliability. But we got to be thinking about it long before.